What's up now in Bohol? I hope you're all doing good and staying safe.
Because for today, we will be showcasing you one of the country's ideal living destination and best investment opportunity here in the Philippines.
Your dream home turned reality. Royal Palms brought to you by your reliable partner, Primary Homes Incorporated. Bohol, as we all know, is one of the most popular and tourist-friendly destination in the Philippines.
Exploring the natural wonders, this province attracts visitors from all over the world because of its stunning and diverse attractions.
In fact, some tourists got to love staying here in Bohol for good.
And even Boholanos all over the world are planning to have their dream home to live with. The epitome of world-class resort living at an affordable price.
Ideal for everyone who's looking for security, accessibility, peaceful community, and a lot more that they can offer. Primary Homes is celebrating 10 years after its very first project in Bohol.
Yes, over the years, it has built its reputation of being a reliable partner. But what exactly made home buyers choose Primary Homes?
What is it?
For almost 30 years of experience, time and time again, Primary Homes has proved its caliber as one of the top real estate developers in the Visayas, standing to its proven track record as a reliable developer in the Visayan region. Its numerous wins and commendations can certainly attest to that.
Premier location. The advantage to this location is that the accessibility itself, it is near the PANGLAO Island Beach and Resort lifestyle, international airport, and some other locations.
Prestigious community. They offer resort-like amenities, and you can choose from well-planned home options that are perfect of varying needs of different families.
Perfect value for money. Quality construction from experts in the industry with 70 years of experience in construction by the primary group of builders, which Primary Homes is part of, and the flexible financing terms and easy reservation process.
Since the launching of the first Primary Homes project, Primary Homes has been committed to become a reliable partner of Boholanos in home buying and investment journey.
Make your dream home a reality with Royal Palms PANGLAO. Contact Primary Homes now.